Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on Mazda CX-7 here, guys, and we will show you how to remove and replace front door panel. Check it out right here, guys. We already removed this one, and we're going to demonstrate you how to do that now. Okay, here is the door panel, here is the door without it. So we'll have many more videos coming. Please check them out, and let's go ahead and remove the door panel now. Okay guys, so first thing that we will need to do right here, there is a cover that we'll need to remove. Okay, like that, and underneath it there is a screw, and also this cover right here, you need to remove that one, and this one tends to be pretty tight sometimes. Okay, you just pull it out like that. Now there is those two screws that we need to take care of. Okay, one on top behind the door handle cover that we just removed. And after that we'll need to go ahead and start on this one here in the hole. You can see quite a few videos on that Mazda on our channel, guys, and many more to come. Don't forget to check out World Mechanics, our main fun channel there. We have videos that relate to any car. Okay, we need to pry the door handle out of there. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect the wire for the central locking. Okay, right here we can just pull the panel now. Okay, you're going to grab with your hands. There is a couple clips. Okay, you start pulling on it just straight towards you, and after that you need to remove that little cover for the mirror there. Okay, just like that. And once we remove the door panel, we will show you where exactly all the clips are, so you know what to expect. Okay, and now next thing that we will need to do, we will need to feed the door handle through the door panel there. Okay, just like that, we need to disconnect all the wires that we have here. Once we disconnect them, we will show exactly how they work. That piece, okay, you press here down and you pull. That's how all of them are. Okay, this one as well, and that's for the master window switch there. And sometimes they can be stuck pretty good there. Okay, just like that. So the door panel is out of there now, and let us show you where all the clips are now. Okay, you can see one is missing right here, so we need to go ahead and remove this one and install it on the panel before we put it together later. Okay, and one there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. So that's how you guys remove or replace door panel on Mazda CX-7. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.